Over the weekend, Iran's first direct attack on Israel from its soil has sent shockwaves through the region, impacting flight operations in one of the busiest airspaces in the world. Let's delve into the complexities and repercussions on aviation of this unprecedented event. As Iran launched drones and missiles, several Middle Eastern countries, including Jordan, Iraq, and Lebanon, temporarily closed their airspace. This forced airlines to reroute flights, adding significant travel time and fuel costs. European airlines such as EasyJet and British Airways responded differently to the situation. While EasyJet paused operations to and from Israel's Tel Aviv, British Airways continued flights, albeit with disruptions due to airspace closures. Other carriers like Qantas Airways, Singapore Airlines, Air France, and Lufthansa either circumvented the region or halted services to destinations like Israel and Jordan. However, as airspace gradually reopened, airlines like Qatar Airways and Emirates resumed some suspended Middle Eastern services. Yet, challenges persist as airlines navigate the complexities of the region's airspace. The recent events underscored the ongoing tensions in the Middle East, with Iran's response to a suspected Israeli attack in Syria further escalating the situation. This dynamic landscape poses continuous challenges for airlines operating in the region. With safety as their top priority, airlines closely monitor geopolitical developments and adjust operations accordingly. As the situation evolves, the resilience of both airlines and travelers remains paramount. In a world marked by uncertainty, the skies above the Middle East serve as a reminder of the delicate balance between safety and accessibility in air travel.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.